Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2013 Honda Accord. This is the coupe model. It's an EX, just for reference. So this vehicle has service A123. You guys can see that right there. Okay, so to reset the maintenance light on this vehicle is pretty simple. We're going to be holding down this button. We already completed the service here, so in case you don't know what this means, service A123, this is basically oil change, filters, and transmission, which is number 3. The filters is number 2, cabin filter, air filter. 1 is an oil change rotation. So we're gonna go ahead and reset the light. So we're gonna hold this button right here. You wanna make sure this is displayed on the screen, first of all. To get that, you just scroll through the menu here until you get there. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and hold this button down. And we're gonna hold it down until the light starts flashing. Keep holding. Okay, so let go of the button, and now we're gonna hold it in again. One more time. Keep holding. Just takes a few seconds. There we go, 100% right there. Pretty simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it works for you. Let me know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time.